Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera, and guys, I want to talk about something juicy that I'm seeing in the charts, guys. And I'm just trying to give you guys a heads up. Once again, I am still learning, but I feel like if I see something, it's my my due diligence to let you guys know and give you a heads up what I see, what's going on. Make sure you guys are doing your technical analysis. Make sure you guys are doing your due diligence as well. And if I am wrong, then you guys could kindly point it out, or hey, give me your opinion about what you think is going on. Guys, let's get to it without further ado. Guys, so as you guys can see, Bitcoin, it dropped obviously quite a bit lately, and we seem to have hit a bit of a bottom for now. Obviously, it's actually a major point of resistance, where we have right to here, where it's going to be around the $47,000 level. Guys, that 47, really this whole area right here, the 47 and really down to this channel, is a major key resistance point for Bitcoin, I believe, because if we don't hold that resistance, guys, it could be like not good from there, because if we can't even hold this channel right here, we may be spilling down all the way to $24,000, which that will not happen. I'm not saying that's gonna happen at all, but that could be a likely scenario to happen, and I'm not the only one presenting that scenario. Just know that there's a lot of other people talking about this same scenario, but it's obviously not likely to happen. We have major support right here as well. Where is it? Like right here, 33 to the $35,000 range, where Elon Musk bought. There was a lot of resistance, major resistance points right there, really, and right here as well, the $30,000 level, which is where I bought my first half Bitcoin that I day traded, and I made around $7,000, and that was a pretty good return. But aside from that, guys, as you guys could see, I rely a lot on the MACD, as I tell you guys, and I look at the volume as well. As you guys could see in the past couple of hours, Bitcoin, it kind of had that big dip. It was $49,000 range, and then we got that bounce back up. Obviously, as you could see, we had that major dump, boom, had a little pop, and then dump again. And now it looks like we may be seeing the end of the so-called dump, or the people selling out, or weak hands unloading their Bitcoin, guys. And you must please remember to identify, are you on a short-term trade or a long-term trade? I'm talking about long-term people and short-term people at the same time, because in a short-term trade you could possibly get a nice little return here, guys. In a long-term trade, guys, if you're selling your Bitcoin and thinking about selling your Bitcoin, do not sell your Bitcoin at all whatsoever. I have a long-term Bitcoin account as well, and I will never sell that. And I say never, but likely maybe 10 or 20 years I'll sell it. But that stuff is going to change our lives, guys. I'm telling you, and I guarantee it. Do not sell your Bitcoin. If you're day trading Bitcoin, do it on Robinhood, which I don't likely recommend, but at least you are just trading the underlying asset value. You're not actually ever selling your Bitcoin, because Robinhood doesn't even give you possession of your own Bitcoins. But anyways, guys, long story short, we may be seeing a bit of a bounce in the next 12 hours. We may be seeing a bit of a bounce. We touched this trend line right here, and it looks like at some point we can either get here, which is a nice 10% return. We could probably see the $55,000 level again. At the really highest point, we'll probably see the $58,000 to $59,000 level again. And if we do not break past this resistance here, the $60,000, $62,000 level, and really the once we break up out of this channel, guys, then we have this much left, and usually that's where we've been hitting the most resistance. For a long time we hit resistance at the $59,000 to $60,000 level, guys, but then we broke up a little bit to the $65,000 level, and that's where we capped out. But right now in the immediate short term, you may be seeing a pump, of, you know, even 55,000, even as much as low as 53,000. You may be seeing some return though, and you know, going from here where we are now, you would see you would probably see at minimum you could see a, you know, 6% return, 5 to 6% return, as much as probably a 10% return. You could, I'm sorry, yeah, probably a 10% return. You'd probably get a 10% return. But I'm just telling you guys, I'm not gonna be going in on this because I need to be careful about my trading, just because, you know, I'm not really confident enough to take this trade right now, because I want to conserve my money for the big pump. You know, I'm trying to conserve my money for the big pump, and the big pump is not coming yet, guys. It's not coming yet. So so as you guys could see, Bitcoin is on a downward slump. Still, this is the 1 day chart. Remember, guys, this is the big picture. This is the big enchilada, guys. You know, this is where Bitcoin has been traveling through this channel, and it's always respected this channel, and it broke past this channel. That's why we saw this major dump. In my eyes, the dump is not done, guys. It's really not done. I mean, at worst, we could come down to 43,000 once again, as I was saying, right, for the immediate short term. Let's hope we don't go lower than that, unless you're trying to buy in for long and you want to get a really good price. But if we break down, yeah, we could see it go down to Elon Musk buying levels. And once I see the MACD start to curl up, guys, start to want me at points like this, that's when I go in for a long trade, a day trade. I already have my long-term account, I buy in, but I'm not talking about a long trade account. But anybody, this is a good place to go on your long trade account, because then you know that Bitcoin is recovering and you've bought it at a decently good price where it's not too expensive, but it's showing signs of going up and not signs of going down. You could always buy at this very, very bottom. It's so hard to time the bottom, guys. Right now, this could be the bottom. This could be the bottom. We just don't know. We could start to go like this, and then once these lines touch again, probably around the $55,000 level or $58,000 level, which has been also some resistance points, you know, 57, 58, 59. Those were resistance points for a while. Then maybe we could see it shoot back up again to, like, who knows, like $80,000 or something. You know, you could see it go to $80,000 in the next pump, most likely, if we still keep going toward, if we keep going back up. Sorry if that looks like, you know, like a, you know what, I don't know what it looks like here, but it looks funny. So yeah, we may be done with the dump for now, guys. It may be slowing down. We may be going as low as 43, but probably no lower than that. And then after that, we may be seeing the bounce back up again, guys. At the worst, we may see here, because we already broke this channel. Usually when you break the channel, you go down and touch the next channel. So I feel like we still may be seeing that break down to the $45,000 to $43,000 level. And after that, I definitely would probably see it going back up, getting that pump back up, and, you know, meeting some, you know, having it go through this channel again, and that channel all the way up here to the top of the channel. And I'm sorry, that's actually really high, at the top of the channel, around $80,000 level once again. That's what I would think personally. Once again, not a guru, guys. I'm speculating. If anybody else sees anything like this, just let me know, and if not, state your opinion. Feel free to state your opinion, guys. Do not be rude, and let's keep an eye on what's going on. That's how you make money, guys. That's how you make money. Just keep an eye on what always is going on, and I'll see you on the next one. Remember, you can always get out of the rat race too.